In 1962, my grandparents, Rune and Stark, founded Väderstad. Rune was a farmer working his 30-hectare farm just down the road from here, and as so many other farming families, they struggled financially. It wasn't easy to make ends meet. Rune also struggled with equipment. The wooden tools that were common back then were weak and his soil was heavy. But what are farmers if not inventive? Rune grew tired of the weak wooden equipment that constantly broke down. He envisioned something else, a new solution that was durable and made of steel. He went to the scrapyard and bought some steel beams. He welded and assembled his first machine for his own use, a rigid tine harrow. When test driving it, his neighbor from a farm nearby came walking across the field to take a closer look. And he said, "That piece of equipment truly looks great. Would you mind making one for me?" And that's how everything started. The rest is now agricultural history. Today, Väderstad is a global enterprise that for 60 years has helped farmers all over the world to simplify their work and improve the result, on the field and in their farm business.
For 60 years, Väderstad has been an ever more important manufacturer, helping to feed the world. Our importance has grown all the time. The importance has grown with the new inventions that we brought to market, helping farmers to produce more effectively, and it has also grown as our company grow from year to year, reaching out to more and more farmers in an ever-increasing number of countries. Out of many inventions over our 60 years of history, I will highlight only a few. The following 5 inventions have halved the time a farmer has to spend on the field to get the job done. And despite the time halved, the quality and the precision of the work is still improved. First time this happened was in the late 70s, when we introduced our all-new series of foldable, transportable rollers. That had a rubber suspension that made it follow the ground perfectly and allowed a much higher working speed than farmer had experienced before. This series of rollers was a huge success and took us to many new markets. In the early 80s, we developed an all-new way of building a high-performance cultivator called the NZ cultivators. It had a new type of frame, new type of boogie wheels, new type of precision hydraulic control, and a new type of S-tines, and later we introduced the crossboard. The crossboard itself is an important invention, now used by most manufacturers. The NZ series of cultivators is reworked several times during its life cycle, and it's still a strong seller. The capability and capacity of the NZ cultivator is still very impressive. The iconic Rapide was born out of the first drill ever developed by Väderstad, the DS. It combines several good things like a single disc, a rubber suspension, soil consolidating wheels, and more into one very capable drill that creates this micro seed bed at high speed. The Rapide is probably the greatest drill success on the European market ever. The carrier came around year 2000. A short, effective disc implement with small discs and a roller for consolidating the soil. Effective, fast and precise. We've made many thousands over the year, and the concepts have been taken up or copied by maybe 100 manufacturers around the world. The carrier have changed agriculture forever. The Tempo precision drill is already iconic. It Its pressurized seed metering system, we call it power chute, shoots down the seed to the ground where it's nailed in the bottom of the seed trench with high precision. The tempo changed planting all over the world. It's a huge success for us in Väderstad, but it's also a success for thousands of farmers now using the technology and harvesting the success of that every year.
I am new in my role as CEO of Väderstad, but I grew up with this company. With our innovative thinking, our close partnership with farmers, and with our drive to always challenge what is today, to see what could be tomorrow and how to get there. Agriculture has always been under pressure in different ways, and perhaps it always will be. Väderstad is on a global journey together with our customers, a journey to find new ways to work their fields and grow their crops, to present new solutions that will improve their results further and make them even more competitive. We aim to be the farmer's best partner for outstanding crop emergence, time after time again. And we are grateful and humble that an increasing number of farmers choose us as their partner for tillage and drilling. We do everything we can every day to continuously meet or exceed their expectations. And whatever challenges the future brings, we will continue to stand by our customers' side to hear them out and constantly see their challenges as opportunities to simplify and improve their life as farmers. After all, that's what Väderstad has always done and always will do.